Today we're here at AdventHealth Winter Garden pouring the foundation for our new inpatient hospital. Our new hospital is going to have 100 inpatient beds and will be opening in 2022, and we're really excited about the compassionate care it's going to bring to Winter Garden. At AdventHealth Winter Garden, we're going to be treating all of your medical needs. Most importantly, when you have a hospital stay, you're going to stay right here in Winter Garden. We're moving forward despite this pandemic because the demand for healthcare services in West Orange County is as strong as it's ever been. Whatever comes our way in the future, we're going to be here to care for you. I've been so impressed by the compassion, bravery, and selflessness of our frontline staff during this time. And that's why this project gets me so excited, because we're going to be growing that family pretty soon. Today, we lay the foundation for the future of whole person care in West Orange County. I want to thank the residents of Winter Garden and West Orange County for supporting AdventHealth on this journey. We're a proud part of this community, and we're committed to serving your healthcare needs, mind, body, and spirit.